This spell is for my witches on a budget. The most important work that you can do is that inner healing work. And with this particular potion spell, it only requires 2 ingredients. That's water and a crystal. And in this particular case, we're working with quartz crystal, clear quartz. You can use just about any crystal depending on what the property of that crystal is. Now be mindful, some crystals aren't made for water. And this particular potion spell is equivalent to buying like one of those fancy water bottles with the crystals at the bottom. This is budget friendly. Some crystals that you may want to stay away from is selenite. Well, just about any crystal that's soft and brittle and breaks down easy. But do your research before even doing this. Some of the more friendlier crystals that you can work with is rose quartz, clear quartz, amethyst, lapis lazuli, obsidian, and the list goes on. Make sure that you're drinking filtered water or spring water. Make sure that you cleanse your crystal with some soapy water because you're going to put this in your water to drink. Not the crystal, but you're going to drink the water. And you can simply just cleanse your crystal under some cool running water. You want to take your crystal, and mind you, do your research. Like, find out what the correspondence of each crystal is. Clear crystal or quartz crystal just amplifies the energy. It's also known as the master healer. Rose quartz is good for self-love and love in general. Amethyst is good for peace, calm, but also your intuition. Lapis lazuli, good for your intuition, your psychic abilities, and psychic protection. Obsidian, good for protection. You know, the list goes on. You got to do your research for this one. But you'll cleanse the crystal with soapy water, cleansing it physically, but also cleansing it spiritually. Then you want to place it in your hand and speak your intentions into the crystal. So for example, we're going to work with clear quartz. You can speak to that clear quartz and say, I now program you to amplify the energy of this water and heal my body, heal my emotions, etc., etc. Get you a glass, put that clear quartz in the glass, and fill the glass up with spring water. Or water, filter water, whatever water you have. As you're pouring the water in the glass, hold the glass and pray your intentions because water also holds a frequency. It's important to speak to your water because you can program the water too. And as you're praying your intentions, visualize a white light healing you from the inside out. You can put the glass in a refrigerator for a couple of hours. You can put it in the sunlight, the moonlight for a couple of hours or overnight, and then drink the water. Make sure you don't choke on the crystal because, you know, I just be hearing some ridiculous stuff like, are we supposed to drink the crystal too? No. Just make sure that you stay clear of the crystal, please. And to make it even easier, drink it with a straw. But drink it slow, drink it intentionally. And once you're done, take that crystal out and place it somewhere where you can continue to receive that energy. It's so simple. Let me know if you tried this and how it worked for you. Bye.